Hi, Shilpa.
Hi Vinod, how are you?
I'm good. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can.
Okay. And let me just. Huh. Is it better now?
Yeah, good.
Awesome. Hi, Shilpa. How are you?
I'm good, Vinod.
Long
How are
time
you?
no see after reunion.
Yeah, long time. Yes.
How you been?
Good, very good.
Since we last spoke, I know
Good.
you've been very, very, very busy. I've been seeing some of your works online. And
Yeah, last 199 days.
99 days. And that's a lot of work in a very short span of time.
Yeah, every day one work.
Awesome, awesome. Anyway, so welcome all to the 10th episode of the Weekend Showcase with Shilpa Shri. And Shilpa Shri is presenting to us paintings.
Yeah, of seeds.
What paintings are these, Shilpa?
They are watercolor paintings.
Okay,
Hmm.
okay. So,
I have used mixed media also.
okay,
Sometimes little bit of collage and pencil shading and all that. Yeah.
okay. So, couple of questions I have regarding. I've been seeing your work. I've been following it on Instagram. Almost every second day, there is a new work popping out, and like you said,
Yeah.
you're doing actually one work a day. Um,
Yeah.
what got you started?
So this thing has had been with me for a long, long time.
Uh-huh.
That I wanted to make a series of seeds.
Okay.
So it all started um with my nature journaling workshops. Yeah. So Sangeeta, another friend of mine, and I,
Mhm.
we conduct nature journaling workshops for kids. So these
Is this
workshops,
Sangeeta from CKP?
yes, she was our junior.
Okay.
So both of us did quite a few workshops. So what we do in the workshop is basically observing nature and recording all the details and learning about them. Basically, you get closer to nature by sketching and knowing more about it. And
Okay.
that's what we try to spread also. We ask
Mhm.
children to sketch, and we had a couple of adult workshops also. So that's what
Okay.
we do. And that got me interested in trees, birds, animals, basically anything related to nature. So seeds have always been very fascinating for me because they're so distinct, so different.
Right.
Each tree has a different seed. So
Right.
it's very fascinating for me. That's
Okay.
the different shapes, forms, that structures, all those things really
Okay. Okay. So
made
you
me
go
choose it.
search of these seeds, or you find them all in your vicinity. ಹುಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀಯಾ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ?
ಹಾ ತುಂಬಾ ಹುಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋದು ಇದೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು
Okay.
whenever I travel, wherever I see, I'll be like stop, I want this seed, and have collected so many like that. In fact, I had about 50 seeds with me
Okay.
when I started.
Okay.
Then I don't know why I thought of 100. 100 was like big number. I didn't even think. I just said
Right.
100. I'm going to do 100.
200. Right.
This 100 thing was basically because I think a good work can come out only when you're consistent at work.
Right.
And I
Right.
felt it would be more like, I'm so busy with my housework, I'm so busy with my life that is happening.
Right. Right.
I would paint for a day and then take off for 2 days. That seriousness was not.
Right. Right. Right.
So
So
I thought, I will take a challenge and I will make it happen.
okay.
And today is the 99th day. I'm
Wow,
like,
that's a lot. That's a lot. So a couple of the works that I saw in the beginning, I could
yeah,
make out that they were watercolors or some mixed media. But there are some works I had to relook again a couple of times, refresh it, and keep looking at it because some of them actually have. I can hear my own voice. You did something.
yeah, I can't hear you. I mean,
Oh,
it's
really?
the connection is gone. 1 minute.
Yeah,
It was going on so well.
that's okay. It'll come
I
back.
can't.
Don't worry.
You can hear me?
Yes, I can. Loud and clear.
Okay, then we'll just go ahead.
Yeah, yeah. We'll just continue. I think it'll refresh. It should be okay. Uh-oh.
One moment.
Hear me? Vinod, can you hear me?
I can hear you, but I can't see you.
Now?
No.
Can you see me now?
No.
Oh.
Have you clicked on the camera button?
Oh.
The center button. Yeah, there you are. Now you can hear me?
Yes, I can.
Okay. I was saying, so some of the works I could make out, they were mixed media. Some of them were watercolors because of the brush strokes and the kind of washes that you did. As artistic as they are, there are a couple of works, I should say, which had a very photographic quality to it. I had to refresh it again and again and go back and see it too, because you were putting real seeds and then next to it was your painting. So sometimes it would take an effort to figure out which is the painting and which is the seed. So I think some of the works have come out really, really well.
Thank you.
And how long do you take to do each of these works? This is so much like a news channel. I speak and after a second.
I couldn't hear a word.
Sorry, I was asking, how long do you take to do these works?
So about 3 to 4 hours, maximum 5 hours.
Wow, that's a lot of time you make every day.
Yeah, that much is required, right? One day of work, at least 4 to 5 hours. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So what's the process like, Shilpa? You sketch first and then you try out on some other paper and then finally come to the main canvas and do it?
I don't have that much time, so I just start off.
Straight away. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. You've done 100. You're going to finish 100 by Saturday.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Tomorrow.
Yeah.
Congratulations. And during this process, did you face any kind of difficulty on a particular seed or a particular painting that you felt really tested your limits as an artist? Or you thought it just was free flowing? Every day was the same?
Some days, actually, it was not the seed, actually. It was about myself. The days when my spirits are high, painting comes out beautifully. And when I can see, some of the works I'm not so happy about. So those days, to keep up with the challenge, I would have finished the work. But then something in me would not be, that feeling that great about it. So
you do have some favorites in your 100 paintings and some not so favorites.
Yes.
So the next thing I would ask then, those favorites one you keep, the others which you don't like much, I'm happy to take it.
Okay.
Just kidding. So in Planama, next you want to have an exhibition or what's the plan?
Lot of possibilities, I can say. So one is to have a display, but right now I don't know where. I mean, nobody is having any gallery display, right? So just thinking in different ways. So one of it was maybe making postcards, or coming up with something that I can probably people can have the whole set. Then my intention is actually to make people see there is so many varieties of seeds, in turn so many varieties of trees. So just to open that window and say so much we need to look into.
Very true. So some of the seeds, when I looked at it, some of your paintings rather, it actually reminded me of my childhood. So as a child, as a kid, on the way to school, we all walked to school, which was close to our house. And I Idi Dari, on the whole way, I would always keep looking. Pretty much a loafer. Every day I would pick up these seeds. Matchbox collection I used to do as to collect cigarette packets. All kind
Okay.
of. I was more like a dumpster. Jump into the garbage bin and remove stuff.
Totally
I was actually
understand.
doing that.
Uh-huh.
So a lot of those seeds, and I was very interested. I was always lost in class, thinking of the outside world, sitting inside the classroom. And these seeds came in very handy. I'm sure you would have come across those cotton seeds, which it's like a ಈ ತರ shape ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಪೋಟ್ಕಾಯಿ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. And there's so many different kinds of plants and trees Bangalore had, or probably still has, and we just don't have the time to go back and venture out and look at it. And like you rightly said, if you actually stop everything for a moment and look around you and just walk in a park, any park and any lane, you would find these beautiful flowers and seeds and petals. I don't know if you remember, we used to pull out the bud or the stem from a certain tree, and we would play cockfighting with that. Yeah. So all of those things, and there's another flower that we used to peel off and make long nails out of it. Correct. So when I looked at your seeds and your paintings, it really took me back to my childhood. And this was so like, if I was somewhere else in the world and if I just saw these paintings and nothing else, it would remind me of Bangalore.
So true.
One more observation I had. Somebody else's painting that got me interested, brought back fond memories, was Suresh Jairam's paintings. He has done something similar.
Yes, he's also pretty much into, collecting seeds, and he works a lot with nature and nature-related issues. So yes, he's very much into it.
You're in touch with him?
Pardon?
Are you in touch with him?
No, I want to get into touch with him and see if we can do something.
Hey, maybe that's a plan. Maybe if you get in touch with Suresh
Jairam sir.
ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಒಂದ್ ಶಾಂತಿ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾಗಿ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ, and call a very limited number of people.
Yes.
Probably run it for 2 or 3 days and make sure that not more than 10 people or 20 people come in a day. So they call you beforehand. That'll be interesting, Alva.
Yes, definitely.
We're only seeing it through digital now. I wish. How big are these paintings?
Most of them are A4, and some of them are A5, and some very few are little small. I remember there were these days when it was really difficult for me to get that much time and do so. I made a small painting.
Okay. So are there some paintings which are like a set or sets of the same seed? Atarana madidya. Let's all just.
Few seeds were really long, so I made 2 A4s together. And 1 or 2, I think I made multiple
frames
paintings, the same seed.
Okay. And so we tried looking at Shilpa's studio. Because of the PAT network, we are not able to do that right now. But I think Shilpa can share with us some pictures, because that's something that I really always was interested in, looking at the artist's den. I think Shilpa will be kind enough to share some of the pictures.
Sure.
We all feel like we should have our own space. How did you make the space? How did you go about doing this? And what made you take a separate space?
So I had been working at home for some time. It's so difficult to work at home because one is distraction.